it. You want to see the middle? There we go. The older it gets, the better it looks. That's why I love crochet. What's up, guys? Okay, so as you can see, I am almost done with literally everything. I teased this side and I did not tease this side at all, as you can see. I was going to do a voiceover all throughout the video, but I don't know, I just feel like I should just show you guys how I do this middle part. The middle part is literally like the side part and everything. So this is like the same technique throughout my hair. Well, actually not throughout, only the parts. But the rest, like, you can literally crochet any kind of way. Like what I do, the perimeter of the head, I do the knotless method. So throughout the whole perimeter is knotless. So I'm saying like these sides, like this braid here and this braid here and a braid in the back is when I do the knotless method. So that way when I pull it up, it will look super natural. And I also teased it so it can add a little bit more, I don't know, like a natural effect, I guess. So with the middle, this is all of the hair that I have so far with the Trendy Tress. I just have 2 bundles, and 2 bundles is enough to fill in this. Actually, probably would need 1, and this would just be extra for another day. So I don't know if you guys noticed. Hopefully you guys watched the whole video, but I am using all types of leave-in conditioner, hair mousse. Like, I'm trying my best to use anything that I can, any kind of form of liquid as I can to get this hair to not tangle. So what I do is put it throughout each and every little bundle, strand, whatever, and get it all through there, so that way when I separate it, it doesn't tangle. And usually it's tangling up a little bit, but it's all good. I kind of like it when it's a little frizzy anyway. So I'm gonna do it this way. So this is the right side, the right side of my head. I'm gonna crochet this way because I want it to be knotless on the opposite side, because that's where my middle part is. And I literally take 1 strand and just keep twisting it, because this Lulu, is it Lulu? Yeah, not Lulu, but Trendy Tress, this hair is somewhat very soft, so it likes to do whatever it wants. So I wrap it around probably like 4 or 5 times, or however I feel that it needs to be wrapped up. And I just keep going. So I leave one side and I keep going. It doesn't even matter which strand you use, just make sure you use a strand, and you pull it. So if you really want to not get confused, just leave the strands on the side. So leave this on this side, leave this on this side, and at the end we'll flip it. So once again, put the needle in this way, hook the hair on, make sure all of the hair is hooked on, pull it through, take 1 of the loops, well, 1 of the strands, and put it through the loop a couple times, maybe a few depending on how you're feeling, and then pull it and make sure you keep it pulled in the direction, or just keep it in that direction so that way we can flip it at the end. And I'm gonna just do it again for you guys, and then after that I'm gonna just speed up the process for this side, so that way I can hurry up and do the other side for you guys. Once again, loop, loop, loop. I'm gonna loop one more time. Loop, pull, and keep it right there. So the knots are on this side, and I don't mind. There's another method to do so that way it's completely knotless, but I'm doing my own head and I really don't have time to be doing all that extra stuff. So this is what we're just gonna do. Alright, so that is done. And as you can see, you can do bangs with this if you really want to, but that's what I'm not finna do. I'm not feeling bangs right now. You can either do it at the end. Alright, so this is on this side, and this is on this side. So you take this side and look. You see it's knotless. And that's exactly where I want the part, so that's the kind of effect that I'm going for. And you just tease it or back comb in the opposite direction. And even if it's a little messy, it doesn't even matter, because that's literally the whole point. Like, I don't like my crochets to look super duper fresh. I like my shit to look at that. That is, it's like, what crochet? That's exactly what I'm looking for. I like the messy look. I like how you cannot tell if it's crochet. That's the whole point of my crochet braids. So we're gonna do the other side and we're gonna be done. All right, so let's get started with the left side. So this side is going to be the same old method I did on this side, just the opposite. So instead of going this way, we're gonna go this way. And you have to go this way. Like, if you go the other way, then your knotless piece is going to be on the other side. And you do not want that. So let's do that. Get that out the way. And as you can see, all my hair didn't. This hair is stressing me out a little bit. You see how it's giving me a hard time? But if it's doing that, just know it's okay. You're not going to die. The messier the better. And same thing, take one little strand and loop it through and then pull it. And once again, keep those strands separated. So this is on this side and this is on this side. Oh, I guess I did need the last little strand. And mind you, this is my last bundle of Trendy Tress, so I guess 2 packs was enough. It was actually the perfect amount. If you want your hair bigger than this, I suggest getting another 3rd pack, but I don't know. I don't like too much hair on my little old head. So 2 packs is enough for me. I don't know about you now. So, okay. Once again, put in the whatever conditioner, leave-in conditioner you do have. Like, this is all the conditioner I've been using. This, and this. So if you got leave-in conditioner, it doesn't matter. You can go to like the cheapest, not cheapest, but you can go to your local beauty supply store and get the cheapest conditioner. So I'm gonna take this, wrap it around. I'm going really fast because I'm so used to doing this, y'all. And then separate and keep it like that. This hairstyle is gonna be really, really cute. I'm so excited that my hair is like long enough to braid now, so that way I can do more videos. So that's kind of like the reason why I've been MIA. I don't have much hair to play with, and even if I do, it would just be, I would be straining myself, and I'm not the type to strain my own scalp, especially if I'm on a healthy hair journey. I didn't want to put no heat on it to stretch it. So now that my hair is finally long enough, I don't have to force anything. And let's just pray that you guys get videos, something like this, weekly. Well, probably not weekly because I keep my hair in for 2 months. So I'll just be doing updates on this Lulu tress to show you guys how long it lasted and also what I did to maintain it. So about the maintenance, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, but I'm going to definitely make another video just to confirm everything. You either can use leave-in conditioner or that hair mousse. What hair mousse do I use? I think it's Shea Moisture. I don't have any right now, but I'll probably like have a photo right here of what it looks like. And that's about it. Like, hopefully this hair is low maintenance, because if you know me, you know I don't really like to deal with my hair. I don't like to deal with anybody's hair. As far as like maintaining, like, I like to do hair. I love to do hair. For those who do not know, I am a stylist. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I went to Aveda Institute, graduated in 2018, and I just love what I do. I love doing hair, actually, especially crochet braids or just natural hair in general. I love it. So we're gonna do that. And don't forget, we're gonna keep it, we're gonna keep the strands separated and then separate the hair at the end. So that way it doesn't confuse you guys. And even though I've been doing this for a minute, I sometimes do this method, the separation method, where I just crochet and keep the hair separated until I'm all done. Because, I don't know, just, I love shocking myself. Like, I did that. Alright, so that's done. And as you can see, it's separated still. You're going to take, see this? You're going to take this hair, which is on this side, and then get your comb or your teething thing and just go like this. And once again, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. It does not. The whole point of crochet is for it to look natural, not like crochet, or at least your typical crochet that you see on a daily, or at least the crochet that you are scared of, because I don't know, people just be scarring people with these crochet braids. But really all you need is a comb or something like this to back comb the hair towards your face, and you can go crazy. You don't have to be all gentle with it. I mean, yeah, be gentle, don't hurt yourself, don't pull your edges out. But with me, I go crazy because I want this stuff to look like it's coming from my scalp like this. You see that? And then you can be able to part it on the side. And just keep teasing it. And if you feel like you need to add a little bit more on the edges, you can do so. And this is what it'll look like. You see? And then at the end, if you got any scissors, you can layer it a little bit. And that is it. You want to see the middle? There we go. The older it gets, the better it looks. That's why I love crochet.